Extra Care is developing across the country into a new way of delivering 24-hour support in the community. It is replacing residential care and has been proven as the best way to support people as they grow older. Because we need to replace our current ageing care homes, Bridgend County Borough Council has been working with Linc Cymru to develop and draw up plans for 2 state-of-the-art extra care provision, one in Maesteg and one in Ynysawdre. So what is extra care? Extra care is very different from sheltered accommodation, warden-controlled housing, or even a nursing home. An extra care provision is a safe, secure building that is purpose-built to offer you not just your own room, but an apartment like the ones being shown here in Newport. You get your own front door and a letterbox and specialist equipment if you need it. The apartments come complete with a living room, bedroom, toilet, bathroom, a kitchenette and more. At the same time, on-site carers are available around the clock to help and support you and look after your needs with a range of specialist care. Extra care provision enables couples and friends to continue to live together. They are especially designed with plenty of space and large communal areas for meals and entertainment. They have comfortable lounge areas where you can meet to chat with friends and family, play games, read a book, watch TV, and even have features such as hairdressing salons.
I love it in here. It's great. You've got everything you can think of in here.
We have bingo. We have balls. I'm very out and have a concert. It's great, yeah. You can't afford it.
When my wife died 5 years ago, I lived with the son. But with them being away so many times, I was on my own luck and I was afraid of that. So they registered me in for a year. Now I'm here. Because I got everything here now. I'm not on my own in an empty house.
We really, really, truly, I sound like an advert now. Well, I am, I suppose. But no, I'm not. I'm telling the truth. We've got wonderful carers. You ring your little thingy. I don't mean somebody comes, but they come and see to your needs. I think if people find fault here, there would be nowhere that would be suitable for them.
Yes, we come in here. It was a new lease of life for me. It's picked me right up. I wasn't eating, I wasn't drinking, but yeah, I've had to buy new clothes twice since being here. For a long way. That's what it's like in here. It's great, you can't miss it.
The benefits of extra care have been widely recognised. We want to work with current and future residents to ensure that the move into extra care is as smooth and easy as possible. We want this to be a success in Bridgend County Borough. We want you to feel at home with extra care and for extra care to provide you with a home.
That's my age, not the door number.